Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to solve this given exponential equation similar to one of those questions given at the entrance exam of Cambridge University. And so now let's start. Do we see any common base out of these three bases of the terms of the equation? Base 9, base 27, and 81. Those could be converted to base 3, right? 9 is base 3, that's 3 squared. 27 is 3 cubed, and 81 is 3 to the 4th power, right? So let's do that. So we have 3 squared to the power of 1 over square root of x plus 3 cubed to the power of 1 over square root of x is equal to 81 is 3 to the 4th power raised to 1 over square root of x. And so now we see a trend over here now, huh? This is the power of 2, power of 3, power of 4, and here we have the same exponent. So from the formula, exponent formula, if we have, like, let's say a to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is the same written as a to the power of n raised to the power of m. What do you notice on the exponents? Their places are switched, right? They're switched from inside the parentheses, we have m. On the resulting expression, m is outside the parentheses. So this is what we're going to do in our equation. And so now we have 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x raised to the same power plus 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x to the 3rd power equals 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x to the 4th power. So now, what do we see? We have common base, right? And so now we're using substitution to represent the value of the base, okay? So let u be the value of the base. That's 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x. So now let's put u into our equation. So we have u squared plus u cubed equals u to the 4th power. So now let's arrange the equation starting from u to the 4th power, putting all together on one side, right? So we have u to the 4th power minus u to the 3rd power minus u to the 2nd power equals 0. So now u to the 4th, u to the 3rd, u to the 2nd power, we can factor out u squared out of our equation, right? So if we factor out u squared, left hand side we have u squared, second term, u, third term is 1, all equal to 0. So we have two factors, u squared is equal to 0, and u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. Take a look at this. U squared is equal to 0. We consider this undefined, right? Because the square root of 0, there's no such thing as square root of 0, right? And so we have this equation u squared minus u minus 1 equals to 0. And so let's use quadratic formula to find the value of u. From the quadratic formula, we need the coefficients of the terms and the constant 1 right there. So a is 1, b is -1, and c is -1. So quadratic formula, we have u is equal to minus b, where b is -1, so that's 1, plus or minus square root of b squared. 1 squared is 1, minus 4ac. A is 1, c is -1, so 4 times -1, -4, and this is negative. This turns out to be positive. Positive 4 divided by 2a, where a is 1, so divide by 2. So simplify this. So we have u is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So we have u here is an exponential function where the value of u is 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x from earlier, right? And so this is from here. So this means that the value of u must be positive. So we don't accept negative value for u, right? For exponential function. So we have our u then is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is our value of u. So disregarding the negative value of the square root of 5, right? So let's recall that u is just a substituted variable in place of 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x, and we have the value of u as 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So let's use that value of u. So we have 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So from here, take the logarithm on both sides of the equation. Solving for x out of here. If you notice, this 1 over square root of x is the exponent of 3. So from the exponent power rule of logarithms, if we have, let's say, logarithm of a base b to the power of c, so this can be written as c times the logarithm of a to base b. So c is going down to the front. So we have on our equation, we're taking down the exponent to the front. So we have 1 over square root of x times logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. Solving for x over here, divide both sides of the equation by logarithm of 3. So this one cancels. So we have 1 over square root of x is equal to logarithm of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log of 3. So from here, since the variable x is on the denominator, we can take the reciprocal of this equation, right? Putting variable on top. Likewise, the bottom goes on top on the right hand side of the equation. So we now have square root of x is equal to log 3 divided by log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Squaring both sides of the equation, taking the square of both sides of the equation, right? So we can get rid of that radical sign right there. So we have this cancelled. So we have the value of x is equal to log of 3. Since this is on the bottom, we can write the same way as base of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to log of 3 base 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And this is squared or exponent 2. So this is now the exact value of x. If we use our calculator, find the value of x, we have x is approximately equal to 5.21. And so now let's verify our answer if it's correct or wrong by substituting this value x to our original equation. So let's check for that. And so now we have our original equation, 9 to the power of 1 over square root of x, and so on. So first term, 9 to the power of 1 over square root of x is approximately equal to 2.62 plus 27 to the power of 1 over square root of x is approximately equal to 424. And 81 to the power of 1 over square root of x is approximately equal to 6.86. Summing up the left-hand side, 2.62 plus 4.24, 2 plus 4 is 6, 24.62, that's 86. So left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, 6.86. So this confirms that the value of x that we got is correct. And value of x over here is in the exact form, and x here has the approximate value of 5.21. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to make your comments at the comment section below. I would be happy to read them. And that's all for now, and thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.